What is wisdom? Wisdom is to build a house not on fragile land or water. That's even more foolishness. Because this is the example of dunya, because it's a sinking ship already. Have you ever heard about sinking ship? Well, you are sitting on one of them. This dunya is sinking day by day. Every day and night it is going down. It's sinking in the sea of non-existence. In the sea of non-existence, sinking day by day. Because perishing day by day, as the day and night passes, its life is going down, down, it's sinking. So you are on a ship sinking. So on a sinking ship, no one wants to make their house, no one even wants to travel aboard that ship. No one wants to actually board that and go, because I don't want to sit on a sinking ship. I don't want to invest on a sinking ship. But those people, as you see here, instead of the mountain, if you actually invest here, you are investing your investment on a sinking ship. It's already drowned. It's not, oh, it might drown. It's already drowning.